Have you been walking every day, yet your feet still feel cold? Your ankles still swell by evening? Or your legs feel heavy the moment you sit down? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And the advice you've been hearing may be missing the real problem. Most people over 60 are told, just walk more. Walking is good. Please don't stop walking. But what if I told you, walking alone may not fully activate the natural system that pushes blood back to your heart? That is why many seniors walk every single day, yet still struggle with poor circulation, swollen ankles, nighttime leg discomfort, and tired, heavy legs. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple movements that target the muscle most people never think about. These exercises take only a few minutes. You can do them at home. No expensive equipment, no membership, and no complicated routines. But before we begin, there is one important warning. Poor circulation isn't just about discomfort. When blood flow slows down, your body delivers less oxygen to your muscles. Your skin, and even tiny cuts, can take much longer to heal. Many people ignore these early signs until the problem becomes much harder to manage. That's exactly why understanding the real cause can make a huge difference. And the final movement in today's countdown is the one many physical therapists use to help improve blood flow. In older adults, most people have never heard of it. So make sure you stay until the end. Let's begin with number 5. Number 5, the ankle pump. It may look too simple, almost too easy, and that's exactly why most people ignore it. But hospitals use this movement soon after surgery, even before patients start walking, because it helps keep blood from pooling in the lower legs. Here's how it works. Every time you pull your toes upward, your calf muscle tightens. Then, when you point your toes downward, the muscle relaxes. That gentle squeeze acts like a natural pump, helping move blood back toward your heart. Think of it like gently squeezing a tube of toothpaste. Without that squeeze, everything stays at the bottom. The same thing can happen inside your legs. If you spend hours sitting, watching television, reading, or driving, blood can begin to collect around your ankles. That's one reason your feet may feel cold or your shoes feel tighter. By the end of the day, the good news? This movement takes less than 1 minute, and almost anyone can do it. In the next part, I'll show you the correct way to perform it. The small mistake that stops many people from getting the full benefit. Now, let's do the right way. Sit in a sturdy chair. Keep your back straight. Place both feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your toes toward your shins. Keep your heels down. Pause for 1 second. Now, point your toes down. Lift your heels gently. Move slowly. Don't rush. That completes 1 repetition. Start with 20 slow repetitions. Do this 2 or 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, or while watching TV. The key isn't speed, it's control. Many people move their feet too fast. They turn it into a quick tapping exercise. That mistake reduces the muscle squeeze that helps move blood upward. Slow movements create a stronger pump, and that's exactly what we're trying to activate. If one foot feels weaker than the other, don't worry. That's common. As we get older, just keep both sides moving comfortably. Never force the movement. If you feel sharp pain, stop immediately and speak with your healthcare provider. Within a few weeks, many people notice less ankle stiffness, warmer feet, and legs that feel less heavy at the end of the day. But this exercise only wakes up the system. The next movement works on larger muscles. It helps move blood higher up the leg, and it may also improve the strength you need to stand, walk, and climb stairs more confidently. Let's move on. Number 4. Number 4, the seated leg lift. This exercise looks easy, but don't let that fool you. It works muscles that many seniors gradually lose with age. These muscles help you stand up from a chair, climb stairs, and stay steady while walking. They also help push blood upward through the larger veins in your thighs. Here's how to do it. Sit in a sturdy chair. Keep your back against the chair, both feet flat on the floor. Now slowly straighten one leg. Lift it until it's almost level with your hip. Hold it there for 2 seconds. Then lower it slowly. Don't let your foot drop. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Then switch to the other leg. Here's the mistake many people make. They lean backward or swing the leg using momentum. That makes the exercise much less effective. Keep every movement slow, controlled, and smooth. You should feel the muscles at the front of your thigh doing the work, not your lower back. If this feels easy after a few weeks, you can add a light ankle weight or simply hold the leg up 1 second longer. Small improvements add up over time, but stronger legs alone are not enough. There's another muscle that acts like a second heart, and the next movement begins to wake it up. Number 3 might become your favorite exercise. Number 3, the supported calf raise. This is where things start to change. Your calf muscles are often called your body's second heart. Why? Because every time they contract, they help push blood up from your legs against gravity. The stronger your calf muscles become, the better they can support. Circulation. Here's how to do it. Stand behind a sturdy chair or use a kitchen counter. Place your hands lightly for balance. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Now slowly rise onto your toes. Lift your heels as high as feels comfortable. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower yourself very slowly. Don't drop your heels. Repeat 10 to 15 times. As you get stronger, work toward 20 repetitions. Here's the mistake many people make. They move too fast. They bounce up and down. That reduces the time your calf muscles stay active. Slow movements create a stronger squeeze, and a stronger squeeze helps move blood more effectively. If your balance isn't perfect, that's okay. Keep one hand on the chair. Safety always comes first. Over time, this simple exercise may help you feel more stable when standing, walking, or climbing stairs. But if you think this is the best movement, wait until you see number 2. It challenges your balance, your muscles, and your circulation all at the same time. Number 2, the single leg balance hold. This movement looks simple, but it tells you a lot about your body. Many adults over 60 find it harder than they expect, and that's okay. Balance naturally changes with age. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is improvement. Here's how to do it safely. Stand next to a kitchen counter or hold the back of a sturdy chair. Shift your weight onto one leg. Lift the other foot just a few inches. Keep your eyes looking forward, not the floor. Stand tight. Breathe normally. Hold the position for 15 to 20 seconds. Then switch to the other leg. Repeat 2 or 3 times on each side. This exercise keeps your calf, your ankle, your thigh, and your core working together. That steady muscle squeeze helps support healthy blood flow. It also trains your body to react faster if you lose your balance. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They grip the chair too tightly. Use the chair only for safety. Let your muscles do the work. If needed, touch the chair lightly. As your confidence grows, rely on it less and less. Many people notice they feel steadier when getting out of bed, walking outside, or climbing steps. But we've saved the most effective movement for last. It's simple, powerful, and it combines everything you've learned into one exercise. Let's reveal. Number one. Number one, the standing calf pump hold. This is the most important exercise in today's video. It looks almost identical to the calf raise, but there's one powerful difference. The hold. Instead of going up and coming right back down, you stay at the very top. That extra pause makes your calf muscles work much harder, and that's exactly what helps move more blood out of your lower legs. Here's how to do it. Stand behind a sturdy chair. Keep one hand on the chair for support. Slowly rise onto your toes. Lift your heels as high as you comfortably can. Now hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Then lower your heels very slowly. That is 1 repetition. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions. As your strength improves, work toward 15 to 20. Remember, don't rush. The pause is the secret. Without the pause, you're missing the biggest benefit of this movement. Many people notice their legs feel lighter after only a few weeks of consistent practice. But before you leave, there's one final message every adult over 60 needs to hear. It could help you avoid a serious mistake that many people make without even realizing it. Before we finish, there's something important I want you to remember. These exercises can support circulation, but they're not a replacement for medical care. If you suddenly notice severe pain in one leg, a leg that becomes cold, pale, or numb, don't wait. Seek medical attention as soon as possible. The same is true if you have a sore on your foot that isn't healing, or swelling that appears suddenly. Those symptoms need professional evaluation. For everyday, age-related circulation concerns, these 5 movements can become a healthy daily habit. The key isn't doing them perfectly. The key is doing them consistently. Even 10 to 15 minutes each day can make a real difference. Over time, small daily habits often create the biggest long-term results. Now, let's quickly review all 5 movements so you can remember exactly where to start. In the next part, I'll give you a simple routine you can follow every single day without feeling overwhelmed. Let this do a quick recap. Number 5, the ankle pump. A simple movement that helps wake up your calf muscles. Perfect while sitting, reading, or watching TV. Number 4, the seated leg lift. It strengthens your thighs, supports better movement, and helps keep blood moving higher through your legs. Number 3, the supported calf raise. A gentle exercise that trains your calf muscles, improves balance, and encourages circulation. Number 2, the single leg balance hold. It builds confidence, stability, and teaches your muscles to react faster when you lose balance. Number 1, the standing calf pump hold. The most powerful movement in today's countdown. A simple pause at the top can make a big difference by keeping your calf muscles working longer. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Start slowly. Stay consistent. Listen to your body. Even a few minutes each day can become an investment in your future mobility. One last thing before you go, there's an important message I want every viewer to hear. It may be the most valuable advice in this entire video. If today's video helped you understand your circulation a little better, then don't let this information end here. Choose just one movement. Start today. Practice it for the next 7 days. Then notice how your legs feel. Are your feet warmer? Do your ankles feel less heavy? Is it easier to stand up or walk around? Small improvements often begin with small habits. Remember, circulation isn't about finding a miracle. It's about giving your body the support it needs every single day. And if you have diabetes, heart disease, or ongoing leg problems, always discuss a new exercise routine with your healthcare provider. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 5 movements will you try first? Tell us in the comments below. Your experience may encourage someone else to take their first step toward healthier legs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more simple, science-based health tips designed especially for adults over 60. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Take good care of yourself. Stay active, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.